My name is Laucha. I'm an Argentinian grill master and my passion is asado. My friends at Gaucho Grill, an iconic Argentinian steakhouse in Southern California, invited me to try all their recipes and to test my grilling skills. Join me in this beautiful, fiery adventure called Gaucho TV. Welcome back, my Gaucho friends, to a new episode of Gaucho TV. For today, we will prepare a special filet mignon with some grilled vegetables and a balsamic dressing, an awesome recipe that my friends Luis and Beto prepare at Gaucho Grill. Or you can do it also at home. So let's get started. Okay, so we will start by cleaning up our filet. So first we will take out this thin part of the filet that has a lot of fat. Then we will separate the head of the filet. Finally, we will take out the tail. We have the main part of our filet mignon that we will use today. So to clean up the main part of our filet, we will take out this thin layer of membrane it has with a really sharp knife, really carefully, and we'll start taking it off. Now we'll cut our filet in 3 or 4 steaks. Calculate 3 fingers and then you cut. We have 2 ways of cooking our filet. We can tie it up like this so it maintains the cylindrical shape, or we can do it as it is. We will try both and you can choose one you prefer. A little bit of salt and pepper in each side, and then we go to the grill. In a preheated grill, it should be at medium heat. Your hand should resist at least 8 seconds before burning. We will put our fillets. Now, depending how you like your meat is how much you will cook them. If you like it medium, you will cook them for 15 to 20 minutes. Medium well, 20 to 20 minutes. And well done, 30 to 40 minutes in total. While we are cooking our filet, we will prepare our grilled vegetables with the special balsamic dressing. Let's start. Okay, for our grilled vegetables, we have some potatoes, some mushrooms, some zucchini, some carrot, some peppers, and some asparagus. We'll put everything in a bowl and marinate it with our special balsamic dressing. The recipe for this dressing, you can find it on our smoked chicken episode. Okay, let's mix it all up. We'll put some salt and pepper and leave it like this for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, let's try this Gaucho Grill magnificent plate. Look at this. Wow. It's really tender, has the perfect proportion of salt and pepper. The pepper with red meat is, you have to put a lot of pepper in the red meat. We have some chimichurri Gaucho Grill sauce and some criolla sauce. Now we'll try our vegetables, but first, another bite of this. Oh, I love asparagus. I love the flavor that the balsamic dressing gives to all the vegetables. In the grill, it starts caramelizing and you have this wonderful crust. Whoa. Great recipe. You have to try it. You have to subscribe to this channel and you have to give us a like. Before I go, quiero saludar a Elmer. Elmer, te queremos mucho, ya te vamos a visitar. Entrega la birra, guacho. Nos vemos la próxima. See you.